Okay, for assignment 1B in section 1, it has us drawing a pattern that we will then copy and paste around our page. So it's just a pattern of lines with the pencil tool using some of the shapes that we messed with in assignment 1A. So you can just take your pencil tool and draw some lines. Oops, and my lines aren't showing up. Oops, looks like because up here, make sure you have none selected because I didn't have anything on my clipboard, so I want to make sure that I have none selected. And then I should be able to draw some lines. There they are. So you can make whatever type of pattern that you want, and you're just supposed to use all of those, some of the different tools that we messed with. We can draw some freehand. Make sure you have some freehand ones and some straight ones, some triangle ins, triangle out, the ellipse tool, or from the clipboard. So make sure that you're incorporating everything that we worked with in assignment 1A. All right, so once I have a few lines drawn, then my instructions say to use my selection tool to move, resize, and rotate the lines until you like how it looks. I kind of like just the way my lines are now. And you can draw some more lines. Okay, so now we're going to move on to, I'm going to just copy and repeat this pattern all over my page. So in order to do that, I can select, click and drag over all of them to select all of them. And then if I hit my Control-C, that gets them copied. And then you'll notice wherever my mouse is at the time, that's where it will paste the duplicates. So if my mouse is way over here, it's going to paste them over there. But I just want to kind of all over my page here. So it says to keep moving the mouse pointer and pressing Control-V. Control-V is what pastes for us until all the lines fill most of the page. So once you get them nice and all over the page, you can make sure they're all inside the page if you like. Oops, I didn't get them all selected that time. Slide them in a little bit. And that's really all there is to it, to this 1B assignment. So you can see again, I have some straight lines, I have some freehand lines, I use the triangle in tool, the triangle out, the ellipse tool, all that good stuff. And I created a nice fun pattern. You guys can get a lot more creative than this, so I hope you do. And then that is it for 1B. So make sure that you have checked your work. The page is filled with lines and a repeating pattern. There are straight lines, freehand lines, and we use some of those different shapes. So make sure all of those things are included in your work and go ahead and submit that to Dropbox 1B.